How to add to my list on my drama app. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, we will be learning how to add your favorite drama to your My List on the My Drama application quickly and easily. First things first, launch open the My Drama app on your device, whichever device you are using. Make sure you're logged into your account as well. Once you're inside, go ahead and log into your account like you normally do. And from the home page, after starting the drama, go to the right hand corner and click on this My List button. After clicking on My List, the drama will be added to your My List tab. Now you can get back to the home page and click on Profile at the bottom right from the home screen. Inside your profile, select My List, and you'll be able to find all the dramas that you've added to the list. You can use your list to keep track of what you want to watch later. You can remove shows anytime from the list. Now you can build your own drama watch list and never forget a good show again. That is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.